Hello everyone and welcome to my next video on downloading the Google Form responses in the Excel sheet. We have already given the question paper in the form of Google Form and students have submitted the answers, and these answers they are stored as the responses. Now in this video we are going to learn how to download the form responses, how to view the answer sheets, that is the answers submitted by the students for each question. Also we can save these responses on your systems by using the Excel file. So let's see the practical demonstration that how you will save the responses on your systems. For that, first of all, open the Google Classroom from where you want to download the responses, where you have posted the question paper. So open the Google Classroom. After that, you have to open that Google form. You can open the Google form by using the grades option also, but the quickest is click on this upcomings. Here you can see the upcomings, and in upcomings you can see here the view all option. So just click on this view all. Here you will find out the list of all the exams that you have given to the students. Now find the question paper that you want to download. So this is my question paper, periodic test 1. So just click on it. Now the form that I have submitted is periodic test September 2020. So I want to open this periodic test form, Google form. So for opening this Google form, click on this classroom, go to this classwork option, and here you can find out the class drive folder. Just click on it. Now search here periodic test. Search here the periodic test. All the files related with the periodic test will appear here. Now here you can see the icon for this Google form. This blue colored icon is for Google form. So just click on this Google form. When you will open this Google form, you will at the top you will find out here two options. The first one is the questions, the second one is the responses. Question paper that we have already downloaded in the previous video. Now we have to download the responses. So just click on this responses. Now here only 9 students have submitted the answers. So I can find here 9 responses. If your number of students are more, you will find out more responses here. Now here on the right hand side you can see here the icon for the spreadsheet, this green colored icon, green with this plus icon. This is the icon for the spreadsheet. Just click on it and the spreadsheet will be downloaded. Now this will contain the answer for each question. Clear? This is the question that you have given and this is the answer submitted by the student. So in this way you will find out each and every question that you have given in the Google form, and you will find out the answers also. Now you can also find out the answers that are being submitted as an attachment. So this is the question and this is the, you can see this is the drive link, and in this drive link the student has submitted the file, attached the file. So all the answers submitted by the students will be stored in this response sheet. Now you want to download this, so just click on this file option. At the top left corner you will find this file option. Just click on it, click on download, and here you will find out Microsoft Excel. Click on Microsoft Excel. This file will be downloaded on your system. By default it will be downloaded in the download folder. So just open it, click on it, and it will get open. Now this file is open. Enable editing. Now you can make changes into this file. Clear? So now insert one column here. So right click and click insert. The column will be inserted. Here you have to write down CBSE roll number, because CBSE is going to access the data by using the CBSE roll numbers and by not the names of the students. Now you have to enter here the CBSE roll numbers of all the students. Suppose the CBSE roll number for this first student. You can find out the name of the students, or you can find out the email ID of the students. You can identify the students by the email ID or their name. Clear? So here you will write down the board roll numbers. Now suppose I am writing this board roll number. I am taking any random number, but you will write down the specific roll number. So you will write down the roll numbers of each student. So in this way, you have downloaded this sheet and you got the answer sheet of each and every student. This first row will contain the details of the first student. So here you will find out the details of this first student. Now you have to save this file because you are entering the roll number. So save the file. Now you have already downloaded the responses, saved it into the Excel file. Now just recall what we have learned is, first of all, we have to open the Google Classroom. After that, we have to open the Google form. From that Google Classroom, first of all, you will open the Google Classroom. After that, you will open the Google form from where you want to download the responses. When you will open the Google form, you will find out there are two options, the questions and the responses. You have to click on the responses. When you will open the responses, you will find out this icon, spreadsheet icon. So you have to click on the spreadsheet icon. That spreadsheet icon will open the Google spreadsheet that will contain all the responses of the students. Now you will download that file. You will go to the file option and you will download it and you will save it on your system. After that, you will enter the board roll numbers of the students and that's it. In this way, you can download the file responses, Google form responses and save it on your systems. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay at home. Thank you.